How to go to the back room. Wait, we've seen this before. Skip. This never happened.
Chapter 11.
Let's go. New level.
Party.
Ugh, my legs hurt.
Lay split up. You take Derp and I'll go alone.
Okay.
Oh no.
Ugh, why can't you just get up and walk?
Blood loss
Nothing here. Darn. What if I just use magnets to fly since I sense metal in the sky? Hope it's not too strong and brings me to a different level.
Yay, food.
Why, I lost all of my friends. Why have I gone to level 10 already? All I wanted to do was to fly with magnets.
Chapter 12.
What's in those fields of wheat?
As imposter vents through the vents, why are you so sus?
Chapter 13. Chapter 14.
It's suspicious around me.
Chapter 15. Chapter 16. Chapter 17. Chapter 18. Oh, what the fuck, I've been here before. Sorry for the fourth wall break, but my text-to-speech thing is broken. So I think it's good now, and I'll get rid of this voice. Chapter 19.
Hey, oh, we go in Stiltman mode. Me when the locked in attic.
Chapter 20.
If only I brought my magnet.
Chapter 21.
Doors.
Chapter 22.
Bro, I've been here in my nightmares, what the fuck?
This is the last one for now.
Hello.
Hello.
Yum.
Why is my pizza
Ow.
black?